Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
Let us know if you like our shirts. If you look at them.
So guys, you can see that he has a piece of my heart and I have a piece of his. We bought this anniversary sweater on Amazon 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
And we're just wearing it.
First time.
Yeah, so
Right.
this is a perfect moment for it. So
Yep.
I'm happy for them. They're so cute. They're so cute. I'm a shorter piece of your heart though.
Kayla, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm nervous.
You'll be okay.
I hope I don't slide off. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
How safe is this?
This should be good.
That's it?
It's good?
Is it closed?
Yeah, your face is holding down.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
I'm so short. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, I'm not. Ah! Yeah.
I don't think they did mine properly.
Why?
Because-
Don't say that.
Look between your legs.
Babe.
Look between my legs.
Babe, don't say that.
There's nothing between my
Well,
legs.
you're right. Actually, you're supposed to have something between. Oh my gosh.
Tiola, show me your face.
No face. Oh my gosh.
Just
Oh, you know the sad thing?
ensure you put that in your
I like to
wherever.
explore, but I'm scared. I'm a scaredy cat, but yet still I want to go on everything. Woo! Woo! Wow. So babe. Woo! Oh my gosh. I'm happy that this isn't moving faster. So I asked the guy, how does this stay? It won't open, right? The guy said to me,
Yeah, it says.
no, he said that my legs will hold it down, but my feet is actually not really touching the bar.
Oh, really?
Yes!
Yeah.
I'm pointy toe. I'm on pointy toe.
Alright, guys, we're gonna show you the view in front of us. Yo, people, this is so cool. We
Oh.
recommend trying this if you ever visit Banff. Look at
Oh
this.
my gosh. This is extraordinary. Like I have my binoculars here and everything. Oh gee. Oh my gosh.
That's behind us.
Oh, they have the.
Tiola,
Yes.
how are you feeling?
Nervous. Oh my gosh. Like for a minute, I'm like, oh, it's moving. Oh, I'm not relaxed. Alright, relax. It's nice though.
Yeah, it's not swinging. It's just pretty
Yeah.
chill.
Alright.
Yeah.
How often do they do safety checks on these?
Honestly, if this falls,
What if
we
we stop?
die.
Oh, Andre, no, we're not gonna die, you know. We're not gonna die.
Alright, people. Alright.
Well, guys, we are so high up. Look at that house, how it's tiny.
Look at the tiny house.
We're so far up. Oh,
Alright, guys, we recommend trying the Gondola
yeah,
in
it's nice.
Lake Louise Ski
Resort.
Ski Resort. It's really cool.
Ooh, and if we make it down, and all is well,
I think we should do what they're doing.
in
Do you
the
see what they're
winter we
doing?
might come back. What are they doing?
They're singing because they're afraid.
Oh, the wheel went round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus went round and all through the town.
Remix!
The wheel on the bus went.
Hey! Hey!
The wheel on the bus went.
Hey!
All through the town. So guys, that's the closed one. Show them the closed one.
Oh yeah, so
Decide to do the
you have the
open one,
option here of going in the closed one
which is safer for
or
kids.
the open one. Oh my god.
What?
That's how that sound.
I think that one is safer for kids. Like if you have your family.
Yeah, so you can either choose between the open or the closed. We'll show you the closed again.
Oh my god.
Oh wow, we are going higher, guys.
Whoa.
We are going higher.
Stopping.
Should we ride the closed one back
What?
so we can show them the difference?
No.
You want to go open?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Are you scared? Oh my gosh. So Andre is the scaredy cat.
I'm not scared.
We are really high up. Look at that view. We can touch the cloud. Whee!
Hey, how's it going down there?
We can touch the cloud.
I don't think we're that high. Alright, so once again, guys, you have the option if you come here to ride the enclosed gondola or gondola. Someone correct me in the comments. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Or
It's Gondola.
or the open one. That's the view of the open one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what's on top.
Bush.
More bush. Whoa, Mike. I don't even want to look behind. Hey man, you dropped the phone enough?
Alright, so
Oh my
that
God.
actually crossed my mind. I was saying that your bags are closed.
How strong is your phone?
Woo!
Yeah, this
We're
is the
going
part I
higher.
hate. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Oh, why is it shaking? How do you reach the height of your potential? Oh my gosh, I think I literally just reached the height of my potential.
Alright, so the wind is coming.
You know the funny thing?
Yeah.
I have on a wig.
If you lose your wig here, I would laugh.
Oh
Honestly.
my gosh. It's possible. Oh.
People. Hey guys, so we just got off the Gondola and this is where we land. If you can see, that's Lake Louise over there, that blue little patch.
Patch. It looks like a patch from
Yeah.
there. Yeah. We're gonna show Lake Louise in this video. Right?
Should. Yeah, we'll show you guys Lake Louise. So the next stop probably either Lake Louise or somewhere in Banff. But if you're ever in
And guys, you see the white stuff up on top of the mountain? It's snow. And we're in August.
someone came in. Duh.
Well.
So let's go. Alright, so let's see where we're gonna land next. Alright, so guys, we are going back down, but we're leaning like crazy. Do you want to see this view? Alright, here we go.
It is nice. It's a nice experience, but boy.
Yeah,
Who told me to sign up for this?
it's cool.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Lake Louise is so beautiful.
Jello,
Yes.
how you doing? You let me know.
I'm fine. I guess.
Let me show you guys Lake Louise. See if I can zoom. That's Lake Louise right there.
Going down there, be a weird sound like you always do.
15 hours later.
Oh my God.
Is it a short ride? No. Is it a fun ride? Kinda.
It was fun. It is nice. Should we do this again, but in winter?
No.
I don't know. Like coming down, it was so like going up was
Was fun. Going up was fun. Yeah.
Like, it's not nice feeling looking up here. Like you feel like you're gonna blow off or something. We're about to land. Please put on your seatbelt and make sure that. Oh my gosh! All right, guys. I don't know what to do with my landing statement. That's scary. Oh my gosh, we are here.
I hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
Ah. All right, guys, please raise the bar for me.
There we go.
Yep, and yeah,
Thank you.
perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hope you had fun.
We did.
Yes, we did.
All
right.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Oh, please exit to the right-hand side.
What?
This side, please.
Oh.
Yep. Thank you. Just over the stairs there. That's
Okay.
the exit.
Alright, have a good day.
Good day, guys.
Alright, so we are now heading to either Lake Louise or Banff. We'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Jello, everyone is wondering where you went.
Here I am.
Jello, we chilling.
Here I am.
We chilling. Also, just a note to anyone who used to be called out for eating out of pots. It's a delicacy.
Yep.
You see this?
Like,
So
you
when they
know,
say, yo, don't eat out of the pot.
you know, Jamaican people always say, don't eat out of the pot because you could grow a beard. Guess I'm gonna grow
That's
a
the thing?
mustache, yeah. Guess I'm gonna grow a mustache today because I'm eating out of this pot.
So the pot is in the plate.
I'm having mac and cheese with some vegetables. Andre, what you having?
I'm having that steak. I live for that steak
With a
life.
big ass tomato where Andre now go eat with some fries. Fine dining.
Fine dining.
Oh boy.
Some people have one pot in their life. Teal have two. Teal, are you enjoying your meal? How much pot you have?
It's eatable. Two.
So people,
Frying pan.
so let me explain something to you. Fine dining is so interesting. I ordered a very expensive steak, and what I got in my plate was half a tomato, steak with some
Chips.
with Doritos, and then they did this.
Anyhow,
Anyways, we'll catch you guys up later on as soon as the sun comes out. Hopefully soon, and we'll let you know what's up.
we'll let you know, so don't go away. A lot to see. Wow. Pay attention, Nabil. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Beautiful. Slow down, slow down. Oh, there's a turn there, a left turn. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, that was a wow. Oh my gosh. Woo. Guys, look at this spot that we just found. Mm. So guys, we are en route to Jasper.
Whoop whoop.
It's so beautiful. It's just from we touch Banff, it's just pure beauty. Like, I don't know how many times you've heard me say the word "it is so beautiful" in this vlog. Not the word, the sentence. Because it is just so beautiful, guys. Because Andre is driving, I don't think he's seeing all the beauty of it. Because he has to focus on the road. Right, babe? Like, you know what? I feel like an official traveler.
Let me know if we can stop here. Like, it makes sense.
Because Andre and I,
Are they stopping?
we have food, cold food, when it tastes good. We have water bottles on top of water bottles and stuff, like a lot of things going on in this car. Yeah, we have a lot of things going on. Guys, look at this. So over there, I don't think they can see it, but yeah, there you go. More views. So if you can see the difference between here and Jasper, between here and Banff, the mountains, they're lacking in terms of trees.
A dirt. It's bad dirt, yeah.
Rock stone.
Dirt for miles.
Yeah.
And no Wi-Fi.
Oh, and we don't have any signal at the moment. There's no signal, but we do have our GPS, which is good.
Yeah, but if you're stuck.
If you're stuck and you need to call somebody, I don't know how you call somebody, but oh, this is in the way. But guys, we have to big up our driver, Andre. He's been driving for a few hours now. I have a help, but him no want me help. But that comes with being a princess, you know. And when you have a king, yeah, that comes with it.
Right, I'll pinch one picture, see your face.
When you want pinch me, pay attention to your road that you feel.
I think you missed it. Sexy edges.
So guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what word to use to describe this.
Sexy.
Scary. Like a pure rock left, rock right.
Broccoli.
Oh my gosh. So guys, anyhow, I have binoculars, right? So I just looked up I don't know if you can see where the ice is. The ice on the wheat top is completely see-through. And it's a lot of ice. Like, it doesn't look like a lot from here. But when I look into the thing,
You can drop it there.
it's a whole lot of ice. Just pure
That would be
ice.
a good stop to drop.
Ice, 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 ice.
Imagine
Oh
jogging
my
over there.
gosh.
You can actually do your park
Like,
over
all
the
of these
side.
spots in there, we never know about it. Guys, look at that. We're currently in
Jasper.
National Park, and it is so beautiful. Man, Canada pretty bad. That's all I can say.
If it was sunny, it would be even more.
Yeah, if it was sunny, but it's now, let's tell them the time.
7 o'clock.
It's now 7 o'clock. We're still on the road. Yes, and we're going home tonight. Yes, we are. Oh my gosh, it's up there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He's gone. Gone, because I don't want him to. Bye there. It was nice seeing you with your little baby.
Hey guys, look what we found. Sir? Is that your mom? Is that your dad? Is that your uncle, auntie, nieces, cousins, third cousin? And, oh, I remember him. That's cousin Ben. He was twice removed.
Hey. So guys, this song is dedicated to you all. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making a way through the crowd.
Yo!
Me fall in love, then let me drown. Oh, you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down.
Okay, so guys, so here we are on our way home. Yes, on our way home in the dark, and it's currently 3:15 in the morning. To cut long story short, I think we'll give the details in a live or something about what happened. There was a huge accident on the road, and the traffic wasn't moving at all. It was at a standstill. Anyway, we tried to find our way home, and after 2 fails a few hours later, we're just arriving in Edmonton. So to God be the glory, we are fine, but this is a time to remember. We will never forget it. We will never forget it. And Andre is still driving. I can't tell you guys how many hours we've been driving now, but we'll save the story for later.